Digital Technologies here, CGK. And today I've got a breaking news from the world of Payoneer. Before we get into the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Alright, let's get to it. Payoneer is making a significant change to their platform by removing the card top-up feature from their platform. As of March 1st, 2024, the card top-up feature will no longer be available for users on the platform. That means you'll not be able to top up your card using your Payoneer balance directly. So what this means is Payoneer will now like us to adjust our daily spending limits and our monthly spending limits. So if you have a card on the Payoneer platform, you need to go into your settings and adjust your daily spending limits and your monthly spending limits. Otherwise, you will not be able to manage your finances using the card like you used to. Now, Payoneer has outlined a number of steps in the email or the updates sent to users to help us adjust our daily card spending limit. So allow me to show you how to do this. Firstly, sign into your Payoneer account and head over to the Payoneer cards section. Once there, choose the card you want to adjust and select Manage Spend Limits. Next, set the required daily and monthly spending limits according to your business needs. This ensures you have full control over your spending and aligns with the changes Payoneer is implementing. Remember, this step is crucial to avoid any financial disruptions in your financial routine. So there you have it, the useful Payoneer update that you needed to know about in 2024. Please be sure to share this video with other Payoneer users so that they'll be able to manage and adjust their daily card spending limits. Also, like this video, and if you have any questions, please be sure to leave it in the comment section. Likewise, if there's a topic you would like us to cover, also leave that in the comment section and we'll be sure to check it out. I'll see you in the next one.